Hey there, Tech Wizards! Welcome back to One Connect, where tech gets easy and fun. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful tricks to keep your computer running like a dream. If your PC feels slower than a snail, stick with me and let's fix that. First up, clearing your cache. Did you know your browser hoards files like a digital squirrel? These files slow you down, but here's how to fix it. Number 1. Open your browser. Number 2. Head to Settings, usually those 3 little dots. Number 3. Find clear browsing data. Number 4. Check cached images and files. Number 5. Smash that clear data button. And boom! Instant speed for your browsing. Do this every couple of weeks to stay speedy. Next, let's talk updates. Yes, those pesky notifications you love to ignore. Here's the truth. Updates keep your computer safe and running like a pro. On Windows, go to Settings, then Windows Update, then check for updates. On macOS, open System Preferences, then Software Update. For apps, enable auto updates. It's like having a personal tech assistant. Don't sleep on updates, they're like vitamins for your computer. I have made a separate video about updates. Watch that if you want to know more in depth, and I'll put that link in the description below. Beat the lag monster. Finally, let's crush lag. A sluggish computer can drive anyone crazy, but here's how to fight back. Step 1. Uninstall programs you haven't touched in years. Say bye to those random apps. Step 2. Stop startup programs. Those are sneaky apps that slow you down before your coffee is even ready. Step 3. Run a disk cleanup. It's like decluttering your digital life. Pro tip: restart your computer every few days to keep it fresh and snappy. That's it, folks. With 3 easy tips, your computer will run faster, smoother, and better than ever. If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe to One Connect, and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments what the weirdest problem you've ever had with your computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. One Connect is a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which is dedicated to empowering individuals and communities through digital skills training and support. Our mission is to increase technology and digital participation, opening doors to new opportunities for everyone. What we offer: digital skills training. Develop essential skills from basic computer use to advanced digital marketing strategies with guidance from expert trainers. Affordable courses. Access high quality training programs designed to be affordable for all. Community outreach. We are passionate about supporting underserved communities through free IT classes and befriending events funded by our profits. Expert guidance. Learn from experienced mentors who are committed to helping you succeed in the digital world. Our products. Digital resources. Discover a range of ebooks, templates, and tools to boost your digital journey. Website design and maintenance. Let us design and maintain a professional website tailored to your business needs. Join One Connect CIC today and take the first step towards digital empowerment. Together, we can bridge the digital divide and create a lasting change.